People say that 5G or even 6G network can support the future expansion of internet needs. But are they able to match for the tremendous growth of internet-connected devices in terms of trillions? Hello, I'm Arthur Wang. Welcome to Uniting Digital. Some estimate that there will be 1 trillion IoT devices by the year of 2035. As the number of devices increases, we need wireless to carry more data. We know that higher frequencies can carry more data, but it cannot travel as far, and cannot even penetrate a solid object like a wall. Lower frequencies go much farther and are less prone to interference, but they are also much slower. For carrying more data, we are looking at a range of bands called the extreme high frequency EHF region, between 30 GHz to 300 GHz, or called the millimeter wave, which has corresponding wavelength between 10 to 1 millimeter. This is why wireless technology are not in the EHF region. However, it becomes useless if you cannot penetrate solid objects and can only cover an open space environment. This is where the breakthrough comes in. A research team in the KAIST School of Electrical Engineering in South Korea developed a system that can support concurrent communications for tens of millions of IoT devices using backscattering millimeter level waves, mmWave. So instead of focusing on the limitation of the EHF frequency, the millimeter wave, the research focuses on the receiving end. The wave receiver uses a radar called Frequency Modulated Continuous Wave FMCW. By detecting the frequency differences between the received and emitted radar signals, the team developed a signal processing method that can fundamentally separate the backscatter signal from ambient noise while maintaining the coding gain of the radar. Currently, the team has conducted a successful trace-driven evaluation where they simultaneously receive information sent by 11 devices where they communicate without collusion. This innovation is precisely a great example of thinking outside the box. Instead of focusing on the innate limitation of the wave frequency, the research team found a breakthrough on the receiving end of the wave. Stories like this really inspire us to do more, and don't let our limitation to determine what we can do. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can find me at Uniting Digital, where I share a variety of technology topics. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.